teacher Stephanie, and today we will learn about polymers and why they are important in our everyday lives. Let us begin. What do silk, DNA, wood, balloons, and silly putty have in common? They are called polymers. So polymers are found almost everywhere in our lives, and it is hard to imagine a world without them. But what is a polymer? A polymer is a very large molecule that is made by joining many small molecules called monomers. You can think of it like a long chain made of many links. The word poly means many, mono means one, and mer means part. Some polymers are made from the same monomer that is repeated many times, while others are made from two different monomers, in a repeating pattern, of course. All living things contain polymers. Some molecules in living things are small and simple, while others are much larger. These large molecules are called macromolecules, and they help build the body or store genetic information. Many macromolecules are polymers. For example, complex carbohydrates are made from simple sugars. Proteins are made from amino acids. DNA and your RNA are made from nucleotides, and they carry genetic information. Plants and trees contain cellulose, which is a strong polymer found in bark and stems. Your hair, fur, feathers, and your fingernails contain keratin, which is also a polymer. Another natural polymer is chitin. It forms the hard outer covering of insects, spiders, crabs, and other arthropods. People also make synthetic polymers. These are used to make plastic, rubber, and many kinds of fabric. Most are made from petroleum through chemical reactions. And of course, one way to make polymer is called addition polymerization. And in this process, monomers join together one by one. A free radical starts the reaction, helping the chain grow longer. Another method is condensation polymerization. And in this process, a small molecule such as water is released, and each time the chain grows. The first synthetic polymers were discovered by accident, and many scientists thought they were useless and, of course, threw them away. Later, Leo Baekeland saw that one of these materials could be useful. So, he created a plastic that could be shaped using heat and pressure. And its real chemical name was very long. So, people simply called it Bakelite. And Bakelite was used to make telephones, toys, and electrical parts. It became very popular after it was introduced in 1907. Silly putty was also invented by accident, and during World War II, scientists tried to make synthetic rubber. Instead, they made a soft material that bounced very well, and it became the toy we know today as silly putty. Synthetic polymers have changed our daily lives, and it is difficult to spend even one day without using plastic, right? However, not all polymers are good for the environment. You have your styrofoam, which is made mostly from styrene, which is a chemical that may be harmful. And as styrofoam breaks down, it releases this chemical into the environment. Many plastics such as styrofoam, plastic bags, PVC last for a very long time, and they do not easily break down. Instead, they become tiny pieces that can harm animals and enter our food and water. Polymers can be soft or hard, flexible or strong, and they are used in many things, from the DNA inside our bodies to the clothes that we wear. And although polymers make life easier, we must also learn how to reduce their impact on the environment, right? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new about polymers today.